Hello everyone, welcome to part 90 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website, and in this video we are going to add the pagination for our Laravel website. So there are two kind of pagination. One is the offset pagination and another one is the cursor pagination. See, offset pagination we are going to use for the normal websites or apps, okay, like in the general course, like the e-commerce website, like we used, okay, most of the time we need to use this simple paginate or the paginate. So simple paginate is simple next or previous. In simple paginate it will simply come as next or previous links. Like if I will show you our page here, just numbers will not come, only next, like this one, next, or the previous links will come. Like the user can move to the next, like if the user wants to go to the fourth page, he need to click three times, like next, 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 then he will reach the fourth page. So only previous and next icons will come. Okay, so in the paginate, this is the normal paginate like we used most of the website, and in this the normal process will come, like the numbers will also come and next and previous links will also come. If the user wants to go to the fourth page, then he can directly click on fourth page and can go to that page. Okay, so we are going to try all, don't worry, we are going to try all for our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, and we are going to integrate this. So the next one is the cursor pagination. See, these two, simple paginate as well as the paginate, comes under offset pagination that we normally used for our e-commerce website or any other general website that is not having that much big database or big data sets. But the cursor pagination used in a high performant pagination techniques, okay, like the large data sets. Okay, there we can say the infinite scrolling. Okay, so for that large projects we can say we are going to use this cursor pagination. Okay, so there is the syntax for the cursor pagination as well. So we are going to try all these pagination for our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, uh, so it actually uses the like cursor pagination actually for the database query builder class. Is it going to use that? Okay, and so that is the means most of the time we are going to use the offset pagination for our e-commerce website, but generally just you must be aware, like there is one cursor pagination as well that we are going to use for the large data sets. Okay, so let's straight away try this, and we are going to try for our Laravel e-commerce website. And first we are going to try the simple paginate, and for that we are going to open here the listing function in products controller. I will open the products controller in listing function, and see, it's really a fun task of doing such kind of activities, such kind of experimenting activity. Okay, so we are going to learn many new things if we would try to do this one. So I'm going to open this product controller. See, we have not added the it, we have added it singular instead of plural. Yeah. Okay, so now here, instead of this get to array, we are going to use here simple paginate. First of all, we are going to use the simple paginate. Okay, I am going to use it like this, simple paginate. Okay, so I'm going to use it simple paginate, and will also update the listing blade file. And here I'm going to, this one is not required at all, we are going to remove this one. Okay, straight away we are going to remove this one because we don't require this. Okay, so instead of this we are going to use here the uh, that syntax, like the category products. First of the array will come, that array that we are using in Ajax products listing, that array, this array. Okay, category products, this array will come here, dollar category products, in which all the products are coming. Okay, and here we are going to use here the links. Okay, I'm going to show you as well, like if we are going to debug this one, like now we have the different kind of scenario. Okay, here if we are going to debug this one, like here I'm going to show you the per page number is coming now 15. Current page is this one. Okay, so such kind of things are coming that were earlier not coming, means complete pagination data is coming. Okay, alongside of that complete array, we are going to see the paginate. Okay, like page name, you can see the page. Okay, so such kind of things will also come up. Okay, along with these items we can see this one new data that is coming along with the paginate method. Okay, so now I'm going to comment this one, and we're going to see that whether we able to show the numbers. No, we are not able to show the numbers because there see, we need to add something simple paginate, that how many numbers, how many products we want to show. I want to show the 6 products. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh it once again, and here you can see the previous and next icons are coming. Here you can see the previous as well as the next icons are coming. Like if we are going to click on next, then it will take the user to the next page. Okay, you can see here we have come to the next page, so only previous as well as the next icons are coming. Okay, previous as well as the next. Okay, okay, it's like this. So you can just have the two links here, previous as well as next. So this is the simple paginate for you. Okay, see, the last product is only having the 2 products. Okay, so like this we can use the simple paginate. Now I'm going to use the normal paginate, like it is just the paginate. Okay, so the paginate will also have the numbers. Okay, so I'm going to remove this paginate page from here, and we'll also again open the t-shirt, and here you can see now the previous, next, but some layout is not correct. Okay, you can see the layout is not correct, and for that we need to make one more change. We need the bootstrap class for the pagination. So we are going to add one, like I'm going to open the app service provider, and here we need to call the bootstrap class. See, paginator already having the bootstrap class, so we can call it here paginator. And but before calling, I'm going to add the paginator class that comes by default in Laravel. uh, Pagination, paginator. Okay, so now we are going to call its method, use bootstrap method of the paginator class. Use bootstrap, fine. So now we are going to refresh here, and we'll see that is layout still is having some issue. So what we can do here, we are going to inspect and we'll add the css for this one. We are going to see here. Okay, so this one, and now inside now ul, so we are going to add some css for this one to resolve this issue. We can add it here so that it will affect only this portion, nothing else. You can add in css as well. I am just going to add the inline css for this one. So what I'm going to do, I will just take one more class here, like the pagination class. I'm going to make here pagination, and for this class I'm going to add the css pagination. Okay, pagination, and inside that so I need to make sure that it will only this portion will get affect now, and inside now for li. Okay, I'm going to add the add for this one only. Like I don't want any kind of list style type. I just want none. First one is this one. I'm going to refresh here. Okay, yeah, and other than this I want float left, like this, and also I'm going to add the width like 20 pixel, I think enough, like this. Okay, so we are going to see, yes, now it is fine. Okay, first, second and third, now it seems to be fine. Like if we will go to the second page now. Okay, so it is working fine. We are checking here the links also coming along with these icons. Okay, okay, so this one paginate is working fine. You can see now only 6 products we are showing in the first page, and second page will have the next 6 products. Okay, and the third page is the last 2 products. So total 6 6 12, and 12 plus 2 14. Total 14 products are here, but in one page we are only showing the 6 products. So here this 6 is coming, found 6 result, that is fine. Okay, so now see, we if we can directly go to the third page. Okay, so this is the paginate method for you, that commonly used worldwide. Okay, so here the we can go directly to the third page, and we can go directly back to the first page. Okay, so this is the advantage of this commonly used paginate method, okay, instead of simple paginate. So one is the cursor paginate. Okay, so you can follow this Laravel pagination as well, and here also you can see the cursor pagination is also given. Along with that, all other pagination are also explained. You can follow this once. There is more details. Okay, we cannot go that deeply because our project will get affected, but you can go if you want to go. You can, if you have time, you can surely and go deeply. You can study complete document and you can try, but we are doing the basic things. We are doing the standard things that we require, that most of the website require. Okay, so now we are going to try the cursor paginate, and let's see the difference. I don't think that we can able to realize the difference. Just we able to, for the sake of completion, we are using this one, and I just want to see that it works or not. I'm not sure. Cursor paginate 6. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to remove this one. Let's go to the t-shirts and see. Okay, in cursor paginate as well, only next and previous are coming. Okay, so once again we need to correct its layout. We need to increase the width. Okay, so we need to increase according to the pagination that we are using. Okay, not 200, just 40 pixel, like this. Okay, so still we will show here 70 pixel. Okay, still so now it is fine. Okay, next and previous are coming in this cursor paginate. Okay, so this one, see how fast it is. Okay, you can see cursor pagination is always fast than the normal pagination. Okay, but in cursor pagination also just previous and next will be given. 1 2 3 4 will not come because there are many result. So the cursor pagination handle that, so they have given the previous next only in this case. But once again we will not use this one. We will just use the simple paginate here, like paginate only. Sorry, not simple, but the paginate only, paginate method we're going to use. Okay, like this. So you can add this one at your end, and if you have any queries, you can surely contact me, and do subscribe as well as join the channel to get the complete source code. So once again I will tell you that this is this tech developers YouTube channel. Okay, so you can always subscribe for Laravel updates, and always join the channel to get the complete source code. Okay, uh, so there we have done the many series so far. We have done the multi-vendor series also, that will work in Laravel 9 or Laravel 10. So you can always get the complete source code as well as the support if you will join by paying the reasonable amount. There is not much amount. If you can afford the interconnection, if you can afford listening my classes, then you must see 1% of your money always save for your education, because once you will become a good developer, you are going to earn, like if you are going to pay $1,000 to me, you are going to get $1,000,000 if you will become a good developer. Okay, so if you invest some amount for your education, it will help you for your future. Okay, so see, I can just suggest, I can just advise you, like if you spend too much of your time for other things, like for games, for eating, for, means so many things, like for eating junk food, and that can spoil your health as well. And then the doctor fees, that is much more than the developer fees. Okay, so see, means I want to say that the developer is just making your career, like your instructor, I can say your instructor or your teacher is just making your career. Okay, you can spend in that thing, but it is better to spend in that thing instead of spending huge amount on other things like the junk food, or too much entertainment, like too much movies and other things like. Okay, so that will go side by side. I also enjoy my life. Okay, you must also enjoy your life, but always spend uh, some amount on education as well. Okay, on learning new things. Even if you are a developer, you keep on learning. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any query, you can surely contact me. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.